Good afternoon, friends. Due to cold weather, I am at home. So I made my mind, let us share, distribute knowledge with each other. So I will share in this video about appeal to the Supreme Court. There are two types of appeals. One is the provision is already under the Act, statutory appeals, and second one is SLP, which is popularly known as special leave to appeal. And most of the work, I can say, in the Supreme Court under litigation is through SLPs. This special leave to appeal is as per Article 136 of the Constitution of India. So it is covering all type of appeals where you cannot get justice through, or cannot get permission, or you can say there is no provision in the act itself. Then what to do? Then SLP is there. If we go by Article 132, 133, 134, there is already provision therein. Someone for some offences directly and some through certificate under Article 134A. So where you cannot get to enter into the Honorable Supreme Court for a relief through those phenomena, then there is SLP. Secondly, in SLP, you can come from any court. You need not to go to High Court, depends upon your case, relief and situation of the case, why you are coming directly, ignoring the intermediate platforms. That depends, and you have to satisfy the court, and it is discretionary power. Whether they are convinced with your argument or not depends upon. So, and in another cases, that is your statutory right. If you are coming through statutes, that is your statutory right, that is admitted and then is decided on merit. But in SLP, sometimes at initial stage it is dismissed. Whether going into the merit of the case, it is dismissed. So this is the main difference. Now coming to my second thing I am keeping in mind, what is moulding of relief? What is limited relief? The two topic I am covering, as they are also related to SLP. In moulding of relief, two parties are before the Honorable Court through SLP. Their dispute is depending upon the situation for particular property. And while the Honorable Court giving judgment in favor of the one of the party, keeping view the interest of the other party, which has not asked for that, which is being given to them, then we can say the Honorable Court has molded the relief. Just as in Ayodhya case, there was a Ram Mandir dispute, property dispute, and while transferring property to one party, the other aggrieved party was given 4 to 5 land there to construct their own worship of place. So this way, this we can say moulding of relief. Now, secondly, coming to limited relief in SLP, that is what it might be new concept for you and me, but I came to know short period before, so I am sharing with you. Supposing there is a tenant and owner landlord dispute. Dispute is he has not paid me rent for the so and so period, so he was asking for eviction. But the Honorable Court, while listening to both the parties, in spite of giving order for eviction, it directed the other party to pay rent, such and such rent to the other party. So in this way, there was limited relief. As the party was a landlord was aggrieved for not receiving rent. So the rent was ordered to be given to the landlord, and this way the limited relief was given to him. Rather than giving full order for eviction, his rent was recovered through this order of the Honorable Supreme Court. So the type of cases, you can say, limited relief in SLP. That's all. God bless you all. See you again. Take care.